Tired of hidden fees and slow transfers when sending money internationally? Today, we're diving deep into Paypenny vs Remitly to see which payment processing app truly comes out on top. Let's break down their key features, step by step. First, the Signup process. Paypenny's registration is quick and easy. Simply download the app, enter your basic information, and verify your email. Remitly Signup is comparable, requiring similar personal details. However, they might ask for additional verification documents upfront, depending on the amount you plan to send. Now, let's talk fees. Paypenny typically offers competitive exchange rates with transparent fees, displayed clearly before you confirm the transaction. Look for promotional rates for first-time users. Remitly often provides a two-tiered fee structure: economy with lower fees but slower delivery, and express for faster delivery at a higher cost. Be sure to compare both options. Once you've chosen your method and entered recipient details, Paypenny provides a clear confirmation screen with estimated delivery time. Track your transfer directly within the app. Remitly also offers real-time tracking, and they often boast a money-back guarantee if your transfer isn't delivered on time, offering added peace of mind. Ultimately, the best app depends on your specific needs. Consider factors like location, transfer amount, desired speed, and preferred payment method. Do your research to find the best fit for you.